those days were quite blurry for me. It is because of him and my mom and dad that I sailed through it. So actually the credit is for him, that he stood by me like a rock. And come on man, he had like 6 years back, he had Bareilly, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
He could have just walked out.
But he continued.
He continued. I mean, so many people also told him that it's weird, but yeah, I mean,
Told him what?
told him like, go ahead, see, there's so many. I'm pregnant every day, yeah.
Abhi also recently?
No, but in the last few months. So I'm like, yaar. Also, it will be such a happy moment of our lives. What I can remember was I was all of 16 or 17 and I was in my boarding school, and I crossed my front gate because it was a holiday or something, and I was going for a tuition, and there was a man there and he was just doing weird stuff. That was my first, I dashed through a harassment. That was my first thing. Uske baad, I became hyper aware. Why should a woman be hyper aware of their surroundings? In my acting career, I'm not going to say, it's going to be a lie if I say I didn't face situations.
Of course.
But I just kind of snowballed out of it.
You figured out. You had to protect yourself.
I had to protect myself. I had to navigate myself out of that situation since childhood. You know, and I had to navigate, maneuver my way out of situations, of bullies, of so many other things, which I did. So I think I have that willpower to push.
Hello everybody, I'm Rudrani and welcome to Zoom Speak Easy. My guest today is so talented and so secure. It's very difficult to be like her because she's doing her own thing, owning her own space, and she's happy. I'm talking about, of course, the beautiful Patralika. Thank you for doing this.
Thank you, Rudrani. Thank you.
But it's true though. You've been so many years here now in this industry.
Yeah.
You've made your own space. You've managed to stay secure, which I think is massive, you know, amongst what we see.
Yeah.
And you continue to do things you believe in.
Yeah.
Even that I think is difficult.
Yeah.
Tell me how.
It's been a learning process, you know. It's been 10 years, and my 10 years, it's been unfolding in front of everyone. There's nothing to hide. City Lights was a big high, and then I didn't get anything. And then for a couple of years, I did whatever I got, the bits and pieces I picked up, because I believe work gets work, and when you are at work, you just get better at the art form even more. But I was not happy. I was not satisfied with the things that I was doing. And then I was like, okay, enough. Now I need to really do something about it. And I went ahead, I spoke to the makers, and I got stuff for myself. I auditioned left, right, and center, you know, and the last 3-4 years has been, touch wood, quite fulfilling as an artist, because I've been getting to do so many different characters. One is so different from the other. Right now, like a Wild Wild Punjab is there on Netflix, where I'm playing this girl called Radha, who's so different than the person that Indrani is. You know, they're like chalk and cheese. And I feel like that is very satisfying to me as an artist. And also I believe that I should be happy. And I should be doing things that makes me happy. And it's been a journey to get here.
100%. What a journey it has been.
Thank you.
But I think you're here sitting next to me and it proves that you cannot stop believing in yourself, right?
Yeah, and absolutely. And I was always very determined. I don't know where did that determination come from, but I never wanted to regret not trying hard enough.
Yeah. I feel that इस industry में जब आप बाहर से आते हो तो और अपनी जगह बनाने में तो बहुत टाइम लगता ही है, पर उससे ज़्यादा उस जगह के साथ आगे बढ़ने में आई थिंक और ज़्यादा टाइम लगता है. यू नो, आपने सिटी लाइट्स का एग्जांपल दिया, और उस समय पे मुझे नहीं लगता है कोई भी और इंसान उस तरह की फिल्म करता. वो समय ही और भी अलग था.
And also being a child's mother, having
Yeah.
a child. I was a child myself when I look back. I was about 24 years old. That character was very different than who I was. But anyway, go on. Yeah.
No, it is.
Yeah.
पर मुझे लगता है कि इंस्टिंक्टिवली आपने वो चॉइस किया,
Yeah.
राइट? बट इट मस्ट हैव बीन वेरी डिफिकल्ट, क्योंकि आपको एक ढांचे में डाल दिया जाता है. जब आप उस, जैसे आप बोल रही थी अबाउट प्लेइंग अ मदर, it's a massive deal in the industry.
Yeah,
because
it
of the
is.
way they want you to be.
Yeah.
They want you to be forever hot and glamorous.
Yeah. Yeah.
And this rule applies mostly to the women.
Women.
How
Yeah.
were आप इसके थ्रू आपने कैसे navigate किया? मुझे पता है बीच में आप कह रहे थे कि you made some choices
Yeah.
that you had to at a point.
Yeah.
You also have to survive.
Yeah.
मतलब bills कौन pay करेगा?
कौन पे करेगा? Yeah.
So I want to know those hard
Yeah.
days, because I feel it'll be inspiring to people
Yeah.
who are trying to do as much as they can and
Yeah.
make a world for themselves.
When I began, before I got my first film, I used to audition a lot.
जी.
And I really loved it because I would go out, and also I have the best parents. They did whatever they could, and I think because of their support, also I navigated through this. So I had a house in Oshiwara. Not I, my parents did, and we still do have that house. And Oshiwara was the center of all the auditions that were happening. और तब एजेंसी वगैरह नहीं होता भी, तो मुझे नहीं पता, मेरा तो नहीं था. And these coordinators used to send bulk messages. रुद्रानी, आप विश्वास नहीं करोगे, मैं दिन का कुछ 4 से 5 ऑडिशन देती थी. पर ये मेरे लिए स्ट्रगल नहीं था, मुझे बहुत मजा आ रहा था. और I was meeting different people. Actually, my struggle actually began after I got my first film, because then you get known, you get boxed, and then you have nothing much to do.
जी.
What do you do out of your time? How long can you wait for that one opportunity or that one good thing to come your way? It was really difficult, dude. I mean, I don't know. I'm just blessed. There were months where I was not making money. My parents supported me through it.
Yeah.
I don't know why they had the belief or the faith that
कर लेगी.
कर लेगी, तुम यहाँ तक आ गई हो. Not many parents do that.
Yeah.
They could have pushed me to saying that, okay, get married, pick up something else, do something else. But yeah, that never happened. So I took it on myself that I must push harder. I must try harder. It did take me some time. People have ups and downs. I was stagnant. There were no ups literally in that many years. Also, I don't know, maybe I've been in a hostel where I had, since childhood, and I had to navigate, maneuver my way out of situations, of bullies, of so many other things, which I did. So I think I have that willpower to push my boundaries. Also, my father used to keep telling me, and I can never forget that. He's like, whenever you're tired, just think that your time begins then. So I think that's what kept me going a lot. In the last 3-4 years, I just feel like I've been working with the right makers. Also an actor's life, I just want to say, it has to do so much with the filmmakers that you're working with and the scripts. Baki sab kuch baad mein. If these things fall in the right space. See now, when I did a City Lights with Hansal sir, now I'm doing I See It One for, it really makes a difference. Look at the impact. So I just feel like it has to be the makers, it has to be the right script, and I was at it, and I'll always be at it because I don't know anything better. I started off when I was like 22.
Coming back to
I
your
See It
wonderful
One.
release, especially when you have aggressive scenes, when you
Yeah.
have to scream and shout.
Yeah.
I feel like she was always in that mode of, I am a host.
Yeah.
I serve people,
Yeah.
and I will and be dignified. I think that you have been able to bring that out so beautifully. But for you, it must have been very difficult to kind of figure out वो सुर क्या होता है या
Yeah.
you know, how do I exactly do that? Tell me that process, how you kind of got into it.
I'm so happy you have asked me this. Not many people ask this question, and this is actually the base of an actor. You know, आप मेरे हिसाब से आप चाहे कितना भी प्रेप क्यों ना कर लो, 10-25 बार आप स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ भी लो, yes, of course you understand the world, you get the flow of events, but doing a workshop and getting to an actual set and having co-actors in front of you, the camera in front of you, the direction, the director giving the direction is a different ball game altogether. And I really believe, at least for me as an actress, first 2-3 days I'm pretty lost. I don't know where it's going. You do 2, 3, 4, 5 scenes and suddenly you get something. And that's precisely, then you get that sur and you just follow it.
I think, like you were just mentioning, it must be a joy to work with people who understand actors, who understand what you're trying to do and understand your passion, right? And Anubhav is like that.
Yeah.
I'm sure the other thing you kind of relate to, which even Tapsi did with him, is the fact that he's extremely honest and he's uninhibited, besides his social media game. But you know, sometimes do you think that itself is frustrating for an artist, because you know the kind of judgment that you receive because of who you're trying to be in real life, you face that. You have gone and given your opinions and people have judged you for it. Do you think that kind of goes against what he's trying to create, which is art, and people misconstruing his artistic instincts?
Well, that is his personal opinion, you know, and everybody's allowed to have their personal opinion. And does it come on the way of his art? I don't think so, yeah. Otherwise, his movies wouldn't have made that kind of money. And IC814 is trending today at globally number 2 as we speak. That's huge. That man's craft is bigger than anything. He is so passionate about his work, Rudrani. I've seen him go through the process of writing IC814 to being on the sets directing it. I saw the man who was writing had shrunk. And then I saw that man switch on his beast mode and be another kind of a beast on the set. Because that set was taxing as hell. Nobody is talking about the VFX. But Rudrani, having that many actors on set, having that tout script, having the technicians, and also thinking about the VFX and also the edit, it's not a joke, boss. This man is something else. And also,
do you feel protective and all that when you see what happens at the trailer launch, when you see all the questions to him?
I love him and I am very, very protective about him.
I guess, like you said, after all of that, you remember that it's still trending globally.
Yeah.
So there is that.
And the kind of love that's coming our way, it's crazy. Yeah.
You know, Nasir ji very interestingly mentioned this during the trailer launch. That he said when the attack had happened, he had a fear that the wave of Islamophobia will come again. You know, and he is someone who understands that religion, right? He belongs to it and he's spoken about it. Do you feel that there is that wave, or do you think that happens often?
What, the wave of Islamophobia? Well, it does, na, Rudrani? We have seen it, be it the hijack, be it the other events, be it the Mumbai blast 26/11. But I'll tell you a story. I had this really dear friend called Zubair. I met him in college, HR college, first year. And he was the first person that I had spoken to. We became friends because we took the fast Andheri train to Kolaba every day. And then we hung out and we would come back. And he was from Gujarat, full of life, full of love, so much to give. And then the bomb blast happened in the train. He was in that compartment. His religion didn't have to do anything with it. and we lost him.
Yeah. At the end, the violence affects everybody.
Everyone.
No one's spared.
Yeah.
But, you know, sorry to hear that. It must have
Yeah.
been very, very heartbreaking for you. And I'm sure, that is why when you see people bring in religion everywhere and use that to create violence, it must be hurtful for you, when you've lost someone, when you've seen it happen.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Of course it is. It is hurtful.
But I guess that's how you express through art, don't you?
Yeah.
Come here. But no, you're right. I think there is a jugalbandi. When you take an artist like that, it must have been a fantastic room to be a part of, no, Patralika? To have people like
It was a
Naseem.
dream. It was a dream. Rudrani, unfortunately, I was not part of the
Yeah, I know.
scenes.
But I'm sure they were
But
around.
yeah, of course, yes. I just want to tell you that I feel really blessed, grateful after seeing the journey that I've had. I've never imagined I would be in the same room, the same series. Nasir sir and Pankaj sir saw me last evening at the press conference. They called me and they were like, "Beta, you're so good at it." And यार, it's a different kind. जब तक आप मेरे जगह पे नहीं होगे, आपको नहीं समझ में आएगा.
It's like your
What it
guru is
meant.
validating you.
Absolutely, yaar. Yeah.
But looks like it's the year of Patralika and Rajkumar. It's like a very power couple feel, isn't it?
Power couple तो पता नहीं यार, हम खुश है, touch wood. Ask me if I was seeing this 5 years back. No.
Yeah.
But I just feel like keep hustling, boss. That's the only way out.
Raj has spoken about it, and people keep asking as to, Rajkumar still is able to maintain how grounded he is, and you've been the same, right? Because you all have seen people ignoring you to people today coming and telling you, "Oh my God, we love your work,"
Yes,
right?
yes.
Because you've never chosen the conventional path.
Yeah.
लगता है वैल्यू ज़्यादा होती है क्योंकि आप उस दौर से गुजरते हो. So, do you remember specific moments of people coming back to you and acknowledging you, and at that time when you feel like, even though you believed in yourself, the rest didn't?
Yeah, for sure. So many times. But I would want to also say something that people have always been nice.
Yeah.
Nobody's insulted me. Nobody's told me something mean that would have broken my heart. Yes, they couldn't see me where to cast me. They couldn't see. I had to I had to make a space for myself. And I think that was only within me. And good I did that, because now nobody can take it away from me. You know what I mean? I have to tell you this, Rudrani, that nobody was mean as per se.
Yeah.
They
But I think they never harm your face, no?
Yeah.
It'll all be all subtle and stuff, right?
मेरे पीछे क्या होता है मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
Bilkul. The safety of women on any workplace, but also on the sets, so many women have come forward and spoken about how they felt harassed and how there has been alleged sexual harassment and all of that. And we have spoken about the need of safety at your workplace. कि sets पे कहीं पे भी एक ऐसा माहौल होना चाहिए जहाँ पे आप कुछ भी कर you feel safe. People around you, and a lot of people haven't. You worked in the industry for a while. Of course, there are different kinds of people here, like in other places, and some are tricky, right? How do you deal with that? In being a woman, I'm sure you've been through sexual harassment at different places, not just here. But how have you dealt with it? And of course, the importance of having a safe workplace.
My first, what I can remember was I was all of 16 or 17, and I was in my boarding school, and I crossed my front gate because it was a holiday or something, or I was going for a tuition, and there was a man there, and he was just doing weird stuff. That was my first, I dashed through a harassment. That was my first thing. Uske baad, I became hyper aware. why should a woman be hyper aware of their
that?
surroundings?
बिल्कुल.
We should be really comfortable walking into a place, a space, getting into an auto or a bus. But I feel like these instances in life make you really hyper aware. And even eve teasing, right? Today, if you're walking out and somebody just says something, I'm of a firm believer, and this is something that actually Raj taught me. I think somebody had catcalled me, and I came back home and I was pretty upset. And he said, why didn't you just turn back and call him out? The moment you call him out, he will think twice before doing it to any other girl. So these are the roadside incidences I'm talking about. When you're walking into a workspace, especially for a girl, you're walking into a room which should have safety net, right? But fortunately or unfortunately, that doesn't happen. Because I'm so hyper aware, and like I said, I've had some terrible incidents that very early in my life, I understood to just navigate out of a situation. It's a feeling, it's a vibe, and you shouldn't catch on to these feelings because this shouldn't be happening. But also because, like I said, I was in a boarding school and I kind of had to look after myself. So in my life, in my acting career, I'm not going to say it's going to be a lie if I say I didn't face situations.
Of course.
But I just kind of snowballed out of it.
You figured out. You had to protect yourself.
I had to protect myself. I had to navigate myself out of that situation. But one shouldn't have to do that, you know.
So sad, isn't it?
It's too sad.
And not just that, I mean, look at what we're discussing in the country today. So one day I hope we both can have a discussion where we say, we feel completely safe. But that's not the case right now, isn't it, Pancha?
No, it isn't.
It's a very sad affair. But of course, like I said, I will talk about the two of you together. City Lights, you also met your life partner.
Yeah.
Do you still remember that moment where you all kind of vibed? That's the word. Ki dekh ke laga, interesting.
No, so I was really, so I didn't meet him while we were shooting for City Lights. We met while we were going to FTII. He's from FTII. He had already done a movie called LSD. And I had gone to see that movie and I was really traumatized. I told you, hyper awareness, right? And I came out thinking that, my God, coming back to safety net issues, like this girl is again going to work. Like what the hell is going on? But anyway, so I was like, then again, I'm telling you, I try to navigate situations. So I told my friend, look, I'm not coming. I am uncomfortable. How things are just like kind of. So I told my sister, come with me. And she's like, okay, chal, I'll hang out in Pune. So it was a small car and Raj was sitting, my sister was sitting, I was sitting.
That was the first official
day when I met him. And just looking at him, you get a vibe. Sweet boy, he sat in the car.
Very bhalo chele he is.
Khub bhalo chele se. Anyway, then he started speaking to my sister and I was pinching my sister. Keno eto kotha bolchi? Chup kore thak, chup kore bosh. And then I think it got a little awkward. So Raj was like, hey, what do you do? I said, I've done a couple of ads. And then he was like, which ones? And I kind of told him and he was like, oh my God, you're that girl. And I saw there's a shift. And then we just started talking. And also he's such a nice person. So I was very comfortable with him. Then we reached FTII and then I saw that man's passion for his work. It was a student project. But yet he was so passionate about it. Because, Rudrani, back then, like I said, I did a lot of auditions. I met a lot of aspiring actors. But everybody was doing it for different reasons.
Hero banna hai.
Hero banna hai, paise chahiye, name chahiye, fame chahiye, glamour chahiye, da 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 da. My core instinct is not driven by these things. And I met a man who was so passionate about his art. I was completely floored. I was like, this is my guy. Yeah. So that's how we met.
But you know, he gives you also a lot of credit. He's obviously a very green flag person.
Yeah.
और वो काफी बार ये बात करते हैं कि he would have not reached where he is without you.
No, that's untrue. You know, he's just being really polite because a man who's driven by so much passion, actually, it's the other way around. Like I said, you know, those days were quite blurry for me. It is because of him and my mom and dad that I sailed through it. So actually, the credit is for him that he stood by me like a rock. And come on, man, he had like 6 years back. He had Bareilly, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
He could have just walked out.
But he continued.
He continued. I mean, so many people also told him that it's weird, but yeah, I mean,
Told him what? Like
told him like, go ahead, see, there's so many
other
options or whatever.
other people.
Yeah.
Why are you dating her type?
Yeah. But he's just a beautiful man. Yeah.
But
He's a feminist, you know.
100%. He's a true feminist.
He's a true feminist.
The people who were asking him to do that, to date other people and stuff like that, had forgotten that you have also been with him when he wasn't the Rajkumar Rao that he is today.
Yeah.
And I think Raj will never forget that.
Yeah.
Isn't
Yeah.
it?
Yeah.
You can give yourself a little credit.
Yeah. I think we are equal partners in it. We are partners, yeah.
So tell me how Patralekha feels when the Rajkumar Rao is today being declared as the superstar,
Exciting.
making 500 crores. Huh? Do you truly feel now he's getting his due?
I think
Long due, no?
I think there's much more to come.
Oh,
I
look at
really
that.
believe. Numbers are great, but I feel he is of a different breed. I live with him. I've been living with him. I see him. I see his growth, and I see what he does to make a scene work, to make his character work. And you know, he's that kind of actor that he'll give to his co-actors so that the scene works. Not many people do that, you know. Not most, come on, I can't like say that. But I've worked with a couple of actors. For them, they need to shine. They should be the center of things. But I feel like a film doesn't work because of that. It has to work wholly, which Raj does understand.
Explain why he's. I mean, that pretty much explains, right? Why he's so secure.
Yeah.
यहाँ पे आज 3-2 में लोग credits किसको जाता है successfully fight कर रहे हैं.
Yeah.
He's been very chill about it.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's true, isn't it?
It is true. And also, I feel this film belongs to everybody. It's not.
See,
Yeah, किसी एक का नहीं है. It belongs to everyone else.
has that helped you being with a secure person like this? And you, of course, are that person in this industry which is full of insecurities, like you mentioned. People always say कि तुम इतने बड़े स्टार बनोगे तो और बड़ी हीरोइन के साथ डेट करोगे तो और न्यूज़ बनेगा. I mean, 100%. That's what we're talking about, right?
Yeah.
And to be the way you are, because the relationship worked and failed, but both of you have. I'm sure you all have had your issues, but have sailed through it all. And
We haven't had that many issues. It's very weird.
That's
But
weird.
yeah, we fight over silly things. कि मुझे ये नहीं देखना है. Why aren't you carrying the dog like Gaga dog like properly, our baby properly? ये सब भलती बातों में हम झगड़ते हैं.
Because they look at you and a lot of people can say, how are you making it work in this industry? He's working with so many people, but you all have always been these people. Authentic कैसे रह पाती हो is my question basically, and maintain what you have created so beautifully.
Because we have coexisted with each other for so long, and the pandemic just like kind of, it was like a Big Boss ka house, na? Sabke liye. And we coexisted so well, and we love doing the same things. So our bond just became stronger during the pandemic. How do we maintain? Yeah, we are not trying anything. This is who we are. We are just being ourselves, honestly. I don't think so. You try to achieve these things, right?
Yeah, you don't.
Yeah.
But in general, I'm sure that is what works for you also, right? Being the way you are, and understanding that अपना space को respect करके खुद दूसरे को space को respect
Correct.
करो. Pretty much
And
like that.
Absolutely. He respects my space and place, and I respect his.
And I think that is why,
It's
isn't it?
yeah, because it's not like we are trying to make it work. It's just been there.
Yeah. So I want to say touchwood, biggest cheerleaders for each other.
Yeah.
Can we mention that?
Yes. Yes.
So important, right?
You know, he's been like so happy since, you know, the love that's pouring our way. And he's been so vocal on social media, and I'm like, Raj, don't do that.
Why? It's cute.
But when I was going through the phase of my life that I was going through,
Yeah.
he quietly stood by me. He didn't say much, but I can see why he's reacting this way, because he's so happy.
Yeah.
He's so happy for me because he saw what I went through, and now he feels like, yes.
He almost now staying with you behaves like a very nice Bangali Bhalo. Because he always converses. He sees me and he's at least one good line
He'll
with a
say in
proper
Bong-
Bengali accent. He says it. You've trained him well. Be proud of yourself for that. Well done.
No, but he did that show
Honor.
also.
Yeah,
Both.
of course, for both he did.
Yeah.
But it helps, right?
Of course it
And
does.
also, you were the happiest bride, I must say. Those pictures.
Yeah. They
Quite the moment.
not यार pictures तो हम थोड़ी ना कैमरा बस
मैंने वो pictures देख के assume किया है that it must be
नहीं
quite
yeah,
the
it was the happiest day of our lives for sure. Man, we partied and we really were there living that moment, and I think we both wanted to do this, and I literally wanted the time to stop there. So it was just the best time of my life.
My
Yeah.
point being living authentically, and I
Yeah.
said, is it terrifying sometimes?
No, not at all.
There you go.
Yeah. Why should it be? It is our life. It's the truth of our lives.
I love that. Okay. All right. Are you ready for some really fun questions?
Ah, okay. Yes.
What's the weirdest nickname Raj has called you?
He calls me
Happy.
my dark name is Goldie.
Is it Goldie?
Yeah.
It's cute.
So he calls me Goldu.
Goldu, cute. I love how you're like, I think it's super cute. Love it. Okay. Who do you think, Patra, you share best on-screen chemistry with?
I don't know. There's so much more work that's going to come.
Sure.
You decide.
I like how you handle that. Okay. A misconception about you that the people who don't know you feel, and of course, it's not true.
I'm an introvert, so I don't really open up that fast to people that I don't know, and that can be misunderstood as being like snobbish or snooty. But I'm just an introvert, and I can't open up to people. It's
Okay. What according to you is your best work till date and Raj's best work till date?
My work is still yet to come. Yeah, so much is yet to come.
Okay.
But I don't know. You have to ask this to Raj. But for Raj, I have a couple of movies that I really loved. Starting from Shahid, I loved him in Newton, Trapped. These also are defining films in his career. I think he's really good at comedy. You know, the Bareilles and the Threes, I think he just aces it. I think people love seeing him in comedy more. But I love what he does with a Trapped or a Shrikant. You know, he takes the character and just makes it his own.
Love it. Who do you think he shares on-screen chemistry best with?
I liked him a lot with Janvi. I think he looks cute with Shraddha as well.
Yeah. If there's one director who's still on your wish list, who would that be and why?
Listen, I want to go back to working with Hansal sir. I miss him. I miss working with him, though we share such a close bond and he's my family. But I just loved working with him in City Lights, and hopefully something soon will come up.
Okay. A rumor about yourself that makes you laugh.
I'm pregnant every day, yaar.
Appeared so recently?
Nay, but in the last few months. So I'm like, yaar. Also, it will be such a happy
Yeah.
moment of our lives, right? We would love to share it with everyone.
Yeah. So there you are.
Yeah.
Okay. The last one is a one-liner advice you'd like to give to an upcoming actor.
Just be at it. Yeah. You have to be persistent and you have to have the patience and perseverance.
Okay.
I feel like if you आधे में छोड़ के चले जाओगे तो you don't know, maybe something else was
Yeah.
waiting for you.
Sure.
You know.
Yeah.
So just finish the thing the road that you have taken. Go till the end.
That's great advice. Look at you.
ज़्यादा philosophical हो
No,
गया
but
क्या?
it's true, na? बिल्कुल नहीं. I actually think it's perfect advice because you're also telling them have patience along the way. So that
things don't change overnight. Things
the
don't
person sitting in
happen.
front of me.
Also, things don't happen overnight to many people.
Yeah.
ये जो 90s की कहानियाँ होती थी ना, वो सब बहुत अच्छे PR pegs है.
So true.
It is not the truth.
So true.
Yeah.
On that note, thank you so much,
Thank you,
Patra.
Rudrani. Thank
Always
you.
such a joy
Thank
meeting
you.
you and
Thank you.
doing this. And like I said, I'm so happy for you and
Thank
Raj
you.
both. May both of you keep shining and keep doing such incredible work. Thank you once again.
Rudrani.
Lots of
Thank you.
love.
Thank you.